Okay, the Total Golf Trainer arm, when you pull it out of the packet, you're gonna see the device with the strap already attached and your small training rod. This device is gonna be able to be used on your trail arm as well as your lead arm. We're gonna start by sliding the device over my trail hand, tightening the strap down onto my wrist so it's nice and secure on top of my wrist. I now will insert the training rod, tighten down with my set screw. Now for my trail wrist, as you can see, we're going to want to bend the training rod, pre-bend the training rod to create the correct wrist hinge that I'm looking for in my golf swing. So now when I take the club all the way up to the top of my swing, I can see and feel the ball touching me at the top, giving me the correct feedback I need that the club's in the correct position at the top of the swing. Then I can also take it, simply undo my strap, slide it off my hand and onto my lead side, where once again I'm going to tighten my strap down, secure it firmly on the top of my wrist. Now I'm going to bend the rod back down to a flat position, where at address I'm going to have the ball touching the top of my lead hand. And now when I take the club away, I'm going to have to move the ball off of my lead hand, creating this nice flat lead wrist position as I wind up to the top, maintaining my space and keeping this space all the way down into your impact, giving you the feedback that you've made correct impact with the correct wrist position. What else is great about the Total Golf Trainer arm is that it is an arm device that can now be used up on my lead arm. And now I'm going to use this to maintain a straighter lead arm. As I swing, as you can see, I'm going to get an instant feedback or touch if my arm starts bending early. If I want to maintain a straighter lead arm, I move my Total Golf Trainer arm to my forearm and try to get it touching. And if I bend too much, I'm going to get my feedback. Also can be used for your trail arm to maintain width in your trail arm, in your backswing, and maintain width throughout your swing. So once again, I'm going to set it on my forearm, where I can now bend the training rod to give me the correct amount of width I'm looking for in my trail arm, so I don't get extra bend. I can't bend any more than this going forward. So the Total Golf Trainer arm can be set up for your trail wrist, lead wrist, trail arm, lead arm. So this can also be used by our lefties and righties.